Jay Shri over here. So my dear students, in last class we already discussed about the 3.3 exercise, no? Some other problems and example problems. Some example problems and exercise problems also. See. Example 12. Okay, some are left, some problems are left. See. Example 12. Find the value of tan 13 pi by 12. Tan 13 pi by 12. How to solve this one? Tan, answer. Tan 13 pi by 12. 13 pi by 12 is equal to tan. So divide it. Already told now our technique. 12. Either 12, 13 pi. 12 ones are 1 pi. 12 pi. 12 pi. So divided by 1 pi. So therefore 1 pi plus pi by 12. So pi plus pi by 12 of the money. So therefore we can write it as pi plus pi by 12. Pi plus pi by 12. Like that you have to think. Okay. Students are confusing. Now they are writing sir. In confuse ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ತರ think ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. Think in your brain itself. Your thinking. Okay. Direct ಆಗಿ practice makes perfect. Okay. So it is in the form of what? Tan pi plus theta. Pi plus means what? In which quadrant? Third quadrant. Pi means 180. 180 plus third quadrant. Third quadrant ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So also t. Tan positive. So therefore pi by a. Tan change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So tan pi by 12. Tan pi by 12. Okay na? So tan pi by 12. See, tan pi by 12 ನ simplify ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. So ಅದರ ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ pi by 12 180 by 12 ತಗೊಂಡು 180 by 12 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12 1 12 by 60. ಸೊ 15 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 15 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 15 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ tan 15 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್. ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. 15 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we can't, there is no direct formula for the 15 degrees. You can by heart also. So one method is there. What is that method? I will tell you. Tan 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. One formula is there now. 35 minus 30. So you can apply the tan x minus y formula. What is the tan x minus y formula? Tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. Apply that. So therefore tan 45 plus minus tan 30 all divided by 1 plus tan 45 tan 30. Okay na? Now simplify it. So I will write here. So tan 45, you know the value now. Tan 45 ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So 1 minus root 3 means sorry tan 30 means 1 by root 3 now. So 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan 45 1 neglect 1 into tan 30 1 by root 3. So this is the answer. So simplify it, you will get the answer. So root 3 is the LCM. Root 3 minus 1 whole divided by whole divided by root 3 plus 1. So root 3 cancel. Okay, root 3 cancel. Next root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So answer root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So this is the answer. Now we can rationalize also. Rationalization ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Rationalization ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay na? So root 3 minus 1 2 times root 3 minus 1 whole square divided by a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square na. So a square ಅಂದ್ರೆ root 3 whole square minus 1 square. So I will simplify ಮಾಡಿ. A square means 3 root 3 whole square. A square is 3 plus b square 1 plus b square minus 2ab 2 into root 3 divided by root 3 square 3 minus 1 2 hours. Okay. So 3 plus 1 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Okay. I simplify ಮಾಡಿ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 2 minus 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 4 will becomes 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 cancel. Okay na? 2 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So one second. Okay. So 2 to cancel, what is the final answer? 2 minus root 3. So if difficulty is there, you can start up here. Okay na? So like that you have to simplify, my dear students. So this is the one of the problem, example problem. Okay na? See, my dear students, next question. See. Example 13. Prove that sin x plus y divided by sin x minus y is equals to tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus tan y. Okay na? So LHS, have to consider LHS and have to prove the RHS. So LHS consider ಮಾಡಿ RHS ಮಾಡಿ. Take LHS answer. LHS is equals to what? Sin x plus y divided by sin x minus y. Okay, sin x plus y divided by sin x minus y is equals to, what is the formula to sin x plus y? Sin x cos y. Okay, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y divided by sin x minus y. Sin x minus y is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y or formula. Next ನೋಡಿ tan x ಬರಬೇಕು. tan x ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, nr and dr ಅನ್ನೋದಿದೆ. dr means denominator, numerator and denominator divided by cos x cos y. cos x cos y ನ denominator divide ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? how it will see. Say x equals to sin x cos y divided by cos x cos okay, plus cos x sin y divided by cos x cos y all divided by over here this one sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y minus cos x sin y okay divided by cos x cos y. Now simplify is equals okay, until what is the answer? cos y cancel, sin x by cos x is what? tan x okay, so tan x all divided by plus so cos x cancel. Now cos x cancel means sin y by cos y tan y, so tan y all divided by but ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos y cancel, sin x by cos x tan x minus cos x cancel, sin y by cos y tan y. Okay, so this is the RHS banda. See, like that we have to simplify, very easy problem. Okay, we have to simplify like that. So example 13 we have to prove like that. Okay na? Easiest, very easy problem. See next question. See my dear students, question number 22. Okay, 22. Prove that cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equals to 1. Okay, 1 ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡೋಣ. So for that purpose you have to consider cot 3x ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದು. cot 3x is equals to cot 2x plus x ಬರೆಯೋದಾ? cot 2x plus x. Okay, 2x plus x is what? 2x plus x is equals to 3x. ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? cot x plus y. cot x plus y formula. What is the cot x plus y? cot x cot y minus 1. So cot x means cot 2x. cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. So plus cot 2x. So this is x, this is y. Adara consider ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Now simplify. Again cot 2x formula is there now. Cot 2x. What is the cot 2x formula? Cot 2x. Tell me. So no need to write cot 2x formula. Why? Because cross multiplication ಮಾಡಿ. So cot 3x. Cot 3x. Multiplication ಮಾಡಿ. Cot 3x into cot x. Cot 3x. Cot 3x into cot x. Okay. This is our equation. Cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot 3x into cot 2x over is equals to write down this one. Cot 2x cot x. Cot 2x cot x minus 1. Okay then. So here insert the problem first. So it is right. So first here there cot x cot 2x there. So next ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ minus 1 insert ಇದೇನೆ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಸೆ ಓಕೆನಾ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ is equals to once again so first is ಬರೆಯೋಣ divided by 1 ಇದು first ಬರೆಯೋಣ so ಇಲ್ಲಿ first is ಬರೆಯೋಣ cot 2x cot x minus 1 so minus 1 is equals to ಇವೆರಡು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಓಕೆ cot 3x cot x plus cot 3x into cot 2x cot 3x into cot 2x is now ಈ minus ನ ಆಸೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ it will become plus 1 ಇದು ರೇಷನ್ so cot 2x cot x first cot x cot 2x minus 1 ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ cot 3x cot 2x plus ಕರೀತೀರಾ cot 2x cot 3x ಇವರೇ cot 3x cot 2x minus ಇವರೇ cot 3x cot x is equal to 1 ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ so based on the formula cot x plus y formula ಬಂದ್ರೆ it is very very easy okay cot x cot 2x minus cot 3x cot 2x cot 2x 3x ಹಿಂಗೇನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಓಕೆನಾ minus cot 3x cot x is equals to so minus 1 will become plus 1 so ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ so this one minus this one plus okay na so like that we have to simplify so my dear students okay so my dear students see example 14 you have to do this one as a homework same procedure but tan use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ tan 3x is equals to tan 2x plus x ಇದೆಲ್ಲ so that formula I have to use show that tan 3x tan 2x tan x is equals to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x okay na so this formula I have to use see so I have to do this one homework what formula I have to use means tan 3x is equals to tan 2x plus x ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ tan x plus y formula use ಮಾಡಿ okay if you have any doubt ಬಂದ್ರೆ follow the example 14 in page number 71 first PUC mathematics okay next we'll move to the next question see question number 23 see prove that tan 4x is equals to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power of 4x okay so this one I have to simplify so let us take LHS okay so LHS is equals to tan 4x tan 4x na ನಾವು tan 3x plus x ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು 2x plus 2x ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ಓಕೆನಾ ಸೊ tan 3x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 3x ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ tan 3x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆಯೋಣ 2x plus 2x ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಓಕೆ 2x tan 3x plus x tan 3x plus x is what tan x plus y so therefore tan 3x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 3x into tan x okay so what is the formula for the tan 3x formula See here, tan 3x formula is there. Now tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. So formula is there now. So apply that tan 3x formula here. We'll apply now. So is equals to tell me 3 tan x minus tan cubed x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x plus tan x all divided by 1 minus tan 3 method. So 3 tan x, okay, 3 tan x minus tan cube x, okay, divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x into tans. Now simplify it again. So use LCM use madana. So is equals to, okay, I will drop this formula. Next see my dear students, simplify it. What is the LCM? 1 minus 3 tan square x. So therefore 1 minus 3 tan square x is the LCM. So what is the numerator? So 3 tan x minus tan cubed x minus plus, okay, tan x into 1 minus tan x into minus 3 tan square x, minus 3 tan cubed x, okay, tan cubed x minus 3 tan cubed x divided by, next this one again same LCM. So 1 minus 3 tan square x, okay, 1 minus 3 tan square x into 1 minus 3 tan square x. So 1 minus 3 tan square x, okay, minus 3 tan x into tan x minus 3 tan square x, okay, minus into minus bracket irte, okay. So minus into minus what are plus agala. So plus tan cubed x into tan x, tan power 4 x divided, okay. So ee tara sorry one second, 4 tan 4 plus tan power 4x, okay na, cancel this one 1 minus 3 tan square x, 1 minus 3 tan square x cancel, okay na. So this is the answer. So 3 tan x plus tan x, 4 tan x agata, 4 tan x, so 4 tan x minus tan cubed x minus 3 tan cubed x, what are minus 4 tan cubed x divided by simplify it. So 1 minus, but minus 3 tan square x is what, 6 tan square x, okay, plus tan power 4x. One answer. So ಮೊದಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆಯಿರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ 4 tan x ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆಯಿರಿ, 4 tan x ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 4 tan x ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ tan square x ಇದೆ, ಓಕೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ here space is not there, that's why I am taking here. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 1 minus 6 tan square x, 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4. Okay na. So like that my dear students, you have to simplify, okay. This is the method. So somewhat difficult is there, but you have to apply. Otherwise you are facing difficulty in 3x means you have to take 2x plus 2x to 2x formula easy agirutte maadu. So practice ಮಾಡಿ, okay. So my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, comment below this video, otherwise send messages in the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you my dear students.